that's one of the things that's kind of happened. In the early days of internet dating, we were all just like so happy to be talking to each other that, you know, the women are typically the ones who had slightly better communication skills, ice-breaking skills, conversation starting skills, that if the man didn't demonstrate that much, we would like really throw him a bone for like the first couple of emails to like help him out there. And women have been doing internet dating long enough now that we're much more sophisticated, and it's like, okay, well, I'll be a little bit forbearing with you, but only for about 2 emails, not 3. So both genders, I'm recommending weaving in those kind of elements of not just, oh, hey, I like to watch football. Oh, hey, I like to watch golf. It's a little of, this is what I do. Here are some specifics. I like to go dancing. Whatever your hobbies are, more of the brainstorming, homework writing, brainstorm your hobbies. I like to go dancing. What kind? There's something like 77 dance styles, that are registered in the American stuff. So it's like, and I'll mention this one because there's a couple of different ones like by age group. My brother met his wife, and they did most of their courtship through salsa dancing. So salsa is a marvelous one, and even though you don't think of this as online dating, there's a ton of it. There are like boards, forums, and communities pretty much for each of the dance styles, and they're often like very geolocal. So it's like Southern California, there's like LA salsa, and then there's like Orange County salsa, Riverside County salsa, Northern California, Fresno, it's like each of these, and sometimes they're like there are conventions. So like my brother would go to, he was on a team, like of course he had, madly, you have to be competitive, it's like, he's no longer getting to do like ice hockey, so competitive dancing, so he did that for a while, and it was very, very significant for their courtship. This is something where if there is any dance style you're interested in, that's one of the things you can mention in your profile. I like to dance. It's been a little while. So I'm trying out square dancing, salsa, and Argentine tango to see which one I really, really like now. Do you do any of those? See? Kind of like hold a mirror up. Bless her heart. She nodded and smiled at me. And thank you. Cool. Which ones do you do?
That's awesome.
Ooh, fabulous. So, do you have cute shoes? Everyone has cute shoes if she does salsa. It's like they're just like the most fabulous dance shoes. Sparklies? Color?
No.
But they're fabulous, and how are they fabulous?
They're comfortable.
Oh, heels?
They have a back. They should tell you how to cover back.
Yep, that was like cover back, which has support while looking fabulous. One of the things, what I just did was I put out a couple of choices. I didn't drop list all 77 or however many it is of dances that are out there. I named about 3 to 5, 2 to 3, something like that. It's no more than about 5 because the brain goes overload at about that number. Couple of things that you're actually genuinely going to go to at least like one class or club or something and try. But show like that variety of I'm still involved in life, I'm still trying things. Give them a couple things you're going to do, because they can picture the specific then. If I just hear, I like to dance, brain glazes over, we have no idea what kind it is. Could be country western dancing, could be line dancing, could be two-step dancing. Whatever they are, mention a few of them. And even say that too, it's like, I really like ballroom, but I want to try country western this year. I hear it's really fun. Something like that. And I asked, and how about you?